Assalamualaikum. I hope all my brother and sister very well. I come back with another quick review. This video make for a new mining site. So if you want to know this, please stay with me and keep watching my video. This site is tone related mining site. So I hope if you want to earning, please first to last you stay with me. Okay, now I introduce my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is crypto and travel news. Here is the two parts. One part crypto review uploaded in any site, and other part travel review uploaded in. If you get those information, please subscribe and press the bell icon. You will receive all notification very fastly. Okay, so I request to you, please join my Telegram group, which name is BTS Satoshi Gift Card Exchange. If you want to core mining, if you want to increase your core mining power, please share your hash card and gift card. You can share your spider card, you can share your rock card in my BTC shop gift card exchange. Okay, so don't miss out. Okay, now I go to my main topic. So I hope you fully completed your all work. Okay, this site name is Toncoin Earning. It's stay in long time, and long time they also payment to every and each member. Okay, so so if you want to earning, I show you how to join this and how to earning from this site. This is two related mining site. It's very simple to joining in this site. So you need to have a Faucet Pay account. First off, Faucet Pay account needed for joining this site. Tone mining and Tone is the now a big cryptocurrency on of the crypto world. So if you want to know about this site, so who is the owner of Tone Coin? It's a Telegram owner is release this Toncoin. So Tone now many of the coin is service published in this site. So Tone is the most important of the cryptocurrency now. The Tone miner is very simple. So if you want to join in this site, you need to have a Faucet Pay account. So how to create a Faucet Pay account? I will now show you how to create a Faucet Pay account. Stop you search option Faucet Pay account, and I always time here is a Faucet Pay account related information available here. So if you want to need to Faucet Pay account related information, I always add to this video pop-up menu. Okay, so that's for easy for joining. So here is a Faucet Pay account needed information. So Faucet Pay is the one of the important of this time. So you need to have Faucet Pay account. So very simple, very fastly transaction at this site. Firstly, payment to each member. Okay, so here is a very all information available here to you. So its joining process is very simple. So so now you uh, so now you create a account and input your wallet address and choose investment token and withdraw. So you can investment at this site. Okay, so already total member show here, total deposit, total online site day stay 99 days already. So it's secret to you. I hope firstly join you in this site. So what do you now? When you click my link, this last time I added the link in every video description box, so you always can you always pay easily paid you get this link. And also I Faucet pay limited joining link to show you, and is for help to you. Now you receive start this start option, and only Faucet pay IO email address start mine. Okay, so I request at this Faucet pay account uses email. So first of there's the instruction: you must have Faucet pay account and same email to our website. Okay, so click this micro start mining option, and it's going to mine it. Okay, mine is my platform. So very simple and very simply to earn from this site, and stay to long time. So you can easily withdraw from this site. So is my 2GS bar already I get from this site. So here is my account history. Okay, so here is the account history, so all information is available show to you. And also withdraw history, where is my withdraw history available here. So it's a real site and real payment to every member. Okay, so don't miss the joining at this site. Okay, so I show you if you want to top up option, please click this top up option. Some want to 1GS more, just buy now option, and it's go to Faucet pay account. Okay, so you need to have Faucet pay account. I logging it, then I join back. Okay, that's the information of this site. Don't miss a like my video and stay with me. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay. I click on withdraw option, and some tone withdraw from my account. Okay, withdrawing is already paid. Now I go to my Faucet pay. Last tone already here. There is my tone, and refresh now. Okay, I got this tone. Here's my tone already payment. So that's the information of this site. Don't miss out and like my video and stay with me. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.